Hello and welcome to the UkeStuff channel. Today I have a very quick unboxing of an instrument that I just purchased, and it just arrived today. It actually happens to be on a Sunday, and it was actually just delivered today, which is kind of crazy. So to make a very long story short, a while ago a YouTube creator slash luthier slash inventor, Daniel Hulbert, he runs the Circuit and Strings channel. He made a double neck ukulele, which I thought was a kind of a neat idea. I really liked it. And then at NAMM 2019, the January 2019, Ortega Ukuleles introduced a double neck ukulele. And at that point, I contacted the only dealer. There's a few dealers that you can trust in the ukulele world that are going to do a setup and they're going to treat you right. Mims Ukes, the ukulele site, and the Uke Republic. Well, the Uke Republic is the only one of the three that carries Ortega. So I immediately contacted Mike at the Uke Republic and said I would like one of those Ortega Hydra ukuleles when they come in, and he put me on a list, and then they never came in. Well, when I talked to Ortega this summer, I drove down to NAMM in Nashville in the summer and talked to the people at Ortega. Apparently the first batch was rejected. So they have now just started reaching stores. And what I have right here is that instrument. So let's do the process of the unboxing. And this will not be a full review. And I won't even be able to tune it up because it has an 8-string ukulele and a 4-string all together, which I'm really kind of excited about. So I think my students at school are going to lose their minds when they see it, because it, again, very few people have such a thing. So knife is safely away, and let's open this package here. So I'm getting rid of all the papers that come with it. And the Hydra, because of its weird shape, I'm making so much noise with the box. The Hydra, because of its weird shape, comes with its own case. There's what it looks like. Nothing in the little pocket there. So I zip it open. And here is what I see. So I've got the business card for the Uke Republic, and then here is the Hydra. Now the other cool thing that the Hydra has is a pickup that lets you switch between which ukulele you're picking up, which is kind of fun. So here's the instrument itself, and it also has a side tuner, so you don't have to have a tuner for it. And ultimately, you've got that one and that one all at the same time. So this one's going to need to be tuned up, but I'm actually very excited about it. I'll be interested to see string lengths and everything else. But as you can see, 2 sound holes. It is supposed to be a laminate top and back, so you can use it in different conditions. I'll have to think about where I put a strap. I may end up putting the strap button, because it needs a second strap, but I may end up putting it there so that then it can be switched between playing either one, and then it does come with a strap button, a gold one right there. So that's the very first look in an unboxing of the Ortega Hydra. I'll look forward to making a full review later, and the one thing I will say about it is I did ask for different strings. So this is strung with Living Waters fluorocarbon strings. And we'll take a look at that later. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you next time.